This is an interesting clock problem. Find the smaller angle between the minute hand and hour hand of a clock when it is 10 minutes past 4 o'clock. Let us draw the clock. This is 12, 1, 2, 3, 4. So it is 10 minutes past 4 o'clock means minutes hand will be at this. And hours hand will be a little past 4. Now, when it is exactly angle between 4 and 2 is equal to 2 into 30 degrees, 60 degrees. Now, in 1 minute, hour's hand moves half degree. So, in 10 minutes, from 4 to 4:10, in 10 minutes, it moves 10 into 1 by 2, 5 degrees. Therefore, angle between minute hand and hour hand is 60 plus 5, 65 degrees.